Hey everyone, Sarah here. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes and share with you a very exciting part of my day that is about to happen here shortly, and that's that I get to hang out with our newest account manager for the first time. You know, as Director of SEO, one of my absolute favorite things about working at WIT actually has nothing to do with SEO or optimizing websites. It is hanging out and collaborating with my coworkers, whether they're brand spanking new or if they've been here for a hot minute like me. Most of us here at WIT work remotely, and so we don't organically get those opportunities to kind of connect and check in with each other, right? It's not like I can swing by someone's desk, when I fill up my water bottle, or I run into someone, in the break room and then have a 10-minute conversation. So it's something that we have to be intentional about and put a little bit of effort into, but it's also one of the easiest things because it's something we genuinely enjoy. We get a lot of value out of it, and it's just something that's part of our culture here at WIT. So with new employees, especially non-SEO ones, I like to kick things off with a pretty informal SEO presentation / training / lunch and learn, kind of all rolled into one, which is the screen that you see here next to me. We talk about local SEO, right? But we put more of the focus on what does that look like here at WIT? How does our SEO team kind of operate? And how do we work together with the account management team? Because that's something that we do really, really closely here at WIT. It's something that helps us become this cohesive unit. And I think it's something that really sets us apart from other digital marketing agencies. So these first initial kind of tag ups are just a really great opportunity for SEO specialists and account managers just to get to know each other, start building a rapport and kind of this mutual understanding of what it is we all do and how we can work together. That way, when it comes time to start working on accounts, we're all ready to hit the ground running, right? And start collaborating. There's no fear of asking a silly question or stepping on toes or sharing ideas. We are just ready to get to work and start getting results for our clients. So I'm just very excited to kick all of that off with our new account manager. So thank you for letting me share that, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks. Bye.